Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wang. Here is the question. Here is the given quadrilateral. Now, size AB is 3, size BC, that's 4, size CD, that's 5. We want to find what is the size of AD. How to find? That's the basic result we should use. Pythagorean. So here we mark the distance from A to here, that's A. From here to here, that's B. From here to here, that's C. From here to here, that's D. So the two diagonals cut the whole piece into 4 right triangles. Therefore, we can use the result. In this right triangle, we know A squared plus B squared equals 3 squared. In this triangle, B squared plus C squared equals 4 squared. 4 squared. You may ask why you put the minus here. We use it for later. And similarly here, D squared plus C squared equals 5 squared. Okay. Now here is the little trick. What do we want to find? We want to find this one. So here, what is this? This square equals what? A squared plus D squared. We have A squared and a D squared here. We don't want the B squared, C squared. So here, that's the 3 equations, okay? If we add left-hand side together, right-hand side together, you can see here, because this is positive, positive, here's a negative. So negative, negative, negative B squared, positive B squared cancel. And negative C squared and a positive C squared cancel. The left-hand side, we only have A squared and a D squared left. So here that's a 3 squared minus 4 squared, then plus 5 squared. Then we have here. Why are we doing this? Because we know the question mark here, the length of this side equals what? Square root of A squared plus D squared, right? So A squared plus D squared equals the question mark square. So we need A squared plus D squared. Simplify. A squared plus D squared equals 18. This is question mark square. We need to take the square root both sides. So AD, the distance from A to D equals the square root of A squared plus D squared. A squared plus D squared equals the square root of 18, which is 3 times square root of 2. That's all. Thanks for watching.